How do octopuses change color? Imagine diving into the ocean and spotting an octopus nestled into the seafloor. One moment, it's mottled brown, blending with the rocks. Then, in a flash, it turns a brilliant white or flashes bright blue and red. It's not magic, it's biology. But not just any biology. What makes octopuses masters of disguise is one of the most extraordinary feats of evolution found in nature. Let's explore the real science behind how octopuses change color and what this ability tells us about life beneath the waves. At the core of their color-changing power are specialized skin cells, each with a unique role. These cells form layers in the skin and work together to produce a variety of colors, patterns, and even textures. The first and most well-known of these cells are chromatophores. These are pigment-filled sacs surrounded by tiny muscles. When an octopus wants to change its color, it sends a nerve signal to these muscles. The muscles contract, expanding the chromatophore, and the pigment becomes more visible. Relax the muscle, and the pigment retreats. This expansion and contraction happens so quickly, an octopus can change from pale to dark in milliseconds. Multiply that process by millions of cells across its skin, and you begin to see just how complex the control system must be. But chromatophores alone aren't responsible for the full light show. Below them lie two other important structures, iridophores and leucophores. Iridophores are reflective cells. They don't contain pigment, but they reflect light like a mirror. Their structure causes light to scatter into different wavelengths, creating shimmering blues, greens, and silvers. Think of the rainbow colors you see in soap bubbles. That's similar to what iridophores do. Below those are leucophores, which act like white screens. They scatter ambient light and help blend colors above them, adding a soft or glowing effect. Together, these three layers give octopuses the power to produce both static and dynamic patterns, blending in with coral, sand, rocks, or even communicating with other creatures. And here's where things get even more fascinating. Octopuses control all this with incredible neural precision. Unlike most animals, octopuses have distributed brains. While they do have a central brain, over half of their neurons are found in their arms. This allows for independent movement and control, meaning an octopus can use one side of its body to camouflage with its environment while using the other side to flash colors as a warning or display. This independence means they can change their skin patterns locally on just a small part of their body without coordinating a full body shift. It's like flexing just one eyebrow, but with millions of color-shifting cells. Why do octopuses change color? There are three main reasons: camouflage, communication, and emotional expression. Camouflage is obvious. In the wild, hiding from predators or sneaking up on prey is a matter of life or death. Octopuses can mimic the texture of coral, blend with sandy bottoms, or even resemble poisonous fish. They do this not only with color, but by altering the texture of their skin using tiny muscular bumps called papillae. For communication, color changes become a visual language. Flashing white might signal submission. Vibrant red could mean aggression. Scientists have observed octopuses flashing rhythmic patterns during courtship or when warning others to stay away. Finally, their colors reflect mood. Just like a human frowns or blushes, an octopus might go dark when it's scared or pulse with color when curious or excited. Interestingly, despite their colorful displays, octopuses are believed to be colorblind. Their eyes are excellent at detecting contrast and polarization, but lack the ability to distinguish colors the way humans do. How can a colorblind animal control color so precisely? This mystery led researchers to look at the skin itself. Some studies suggest octopus skin contains light-sensitive proteins, opsins, which may allow them to see light directly through their skin. In essence, their skin might help them detect changes in light and adjust their appearance even without input from the eyes. It's as if their whole body is one giant intelligent screen. From an evolutionary perspective, this ability likely developed as both a defense mechanism and a communication tool. Cephalopods, like octopuses, have relatively short lifespans and face many predators. Being able to vanish into the background or flash a warning might mean the difference between survival and becoming dinner. But there's a deeper implication too. The more we learn about octopuses, the more we realize how intelligent and complex they are. Their ability to learn, solve puzzles, escape enclosures, and even recognize humans suggest a kind of alien intelligence developed separately from vertebrates like us. And their color-changing skin is more than a party trick. It's an interface, a visual representation of what's going on inside. When an octopus flashes color, it's not just hiding or warning. It might be expressing fear, curiosity, or even playfulness. So next time you see a video of an octopus vanishing into coral or flashing electric blue across its mantle, remember that it's not just biology in motion. It's a living, thinking creature using a language we are only just beginning to understand. What do you think? Can octopuses be considered artists of the sea? If you're fascinated by how nature hides its secrets in plain sight, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Wiseuse for more.